Do you have dogs? Do they like dog treats? Probably. Well, these two, oh, see, I just said dog treat. I got a really cool recipe I want to try out, and these two are my taste testers. So let's see what happens. New recipe for these two. Ready? Charlie, you ready? Let's go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
Pretty brilliantly simple. It involves, well, Labradors, that one, and that one, and blueberries, hold on, raspberries, rolled oats. Are you excited? As soon as I turn on the video camera in the kitchen, these two know that there's gonna be food. Oh, and some flour. You can have gluten-free flour. You could have, I'm gonna use whole wheat flour because I'm all about use what you got, and this is what I got. Right, Charlie Pop? Right, Henry? Yeah, let's cook these up. This would be great, I think. Right, my little girls? Okay. Set your oven to 350 and go. What I love about this is it is wicked simple. It's just, well, we went over the ingredients already. A big shout out, I got this from the Edible Brooklyn magazine. The recipe is by Nick Vulgaris? Sorry, Nick. Kerber Farm Cookbook. I'll link to the cookbook below here and more about that. But it's simple. Here's how simple it is. 1 cup of raspberries, 1 cup of blueberries, 2 cups of rolled oats, and 2 cups of, I would call it flour of your choice. Nick says use gluten-free, but my dogs don't have a gluten issue, so, and I've got whole wheat flour, and I've got rolled oats, so use what you got. I have a little bit of water. I'm not quite sure. We're just gonna see this and try this and see what happens, because that's what we do here. So let's put this in. Might need a little water, put it in the oven. A little blueberry incident there, but that's okay. 1 cup of raspberries. 2 cups of flour. 2 cups rolled oats, not the quick cook kind, the old-fashioned kind. I gotta move back, I can't see that. So this says, just to turn it on, so we'll see what goes. I got a little bit of water, I might throw some water in, but here we go. What do you guys think? Well, it's kind of getting kind of crumbly. I'm just gonna knock down the flour that's on the top. Maybe I should have went blueberries, flour, raspberries, oatmeal. Kind of layered it, I don't know. You know, we try it, we see what happens. I don't know, that's kind of looking, maybe a little water. Maybe I could call Nick. I'm gonna put a little water in when I run this on again. Okay, it's looking better. I probably put in 3 tablespoons, but maybe it's because the whole wheat flour. Let me know what you think. You probably know more about this than I do, so. All right, quick little mix, roll it out. A little bit of flour on the top. We need to roll that out. Guess what? I don't have a roller, but I do have a big thing of balsamic vinegar, and that will do very well on that. Nice. Nick in his instructions says 1/2 inch. I went, well, a little more. So 3/8 maybe. But the key thing I have, wait, dog biscuit cutters. Thank you to my neighbor Joel for that. So let's cut some dog biscuits and put them in the oven. Parchment paper, okay. I'm gonna take all the excess and roll this back out again. Does that make sense? Yeah, so all the cut around parts back down here, flattened out with that. Stick around and see if they approve. Is this Labrador approved? Keep your dogs away from the oven. Henny, move back a little bit. All right, this in here, whoa, it just shifted. Careful, Eric. All right, stick around, taste test, very important. So this is Charlie, this is Henry. Henry is 14 years old, still moving. Charlie pup, I think is 11. She has some pretty bad arthritis problems, but still moving as well. And I like to feed him good food, and I'm excited about these biscuits because it's like, don't blueberries and raspberries have antioxidants, I think, in them? So that's good, right? But anyway, these are the stars of the show here, stars of my life. Do you like dog biscuits? Do you?
Oh!
Very excited. Let's wait, bake, and then test with the taste testers. Oh, that looks great. Those feel done. These are pretty good. It tastes like biscotti. There should be more videos right here. A couple other biscuit recipes. I love this kind of thing. It's simple. It makes people happy. Makes dogs happy. I'll see you in the next video right there.